So listen, imagine, like Randy Pausch did, that you'd been told you only had a few months to live for some reason, right? Maybe you're getting on a spaceship to Mars. So you've got to leave behind a message for the people you care about and sort of like your wisest, most significant moments. What would you say? What would you share with them? For me, I reckon it'd be three things. I'd want to teach those I loved or share or leave behind the idea that you're not the voice in your head, you're something bigger than that. That's not an original idea, but it's a deeply profound idea to try and get your head across. The second one is that a life of service gives you an orientation that leads to mental health and everything you could possibly want. Dale Carnegie once said, if you help enough people get what they want, you'll eventually get everything you want. And the third one for me, the critical one for definitely those I love, is not only that you're not the voice in your head and not only that you want to be in the act of service or attention out, but that there is this line of intent and you know whether you're operating above or below this line. And I don't even have to give you any more detail except to say love operates from above the line and fear from below the line. So what would be your last lecture, like Randy Pausch? What would be the things you'd share that would have the greatest difference and maybe the message you'd leave behind?